This week is Men's Health Week. It is a week when we raise awareness of preventable men's issues. Men die on average about 4 years younger than women. They also have a higher incidence of death rates for almost all the leading causes of death, including heart disease, cancer, respiratory disease, stroke and suicide. Men's Health Week aims to raise awareness of preventable health problems, encourage the early detection and treatment of health conditions in men, and support men and boys to engage in healthier lifestyle choices or activities. This year's theme is Making the Connections, and we're asking you to check in, check up, and check it out. Check in with yourself to see how you are coping and feeling, and to identify any health worries you might have. Check up on your family, friends, neighbours, colleagues to see how they're doing and to offer support. Check it out if you notice anything worrying that may need medical attention. Further information about the activities for Men's Health Week can be found on mhfi.org.